Ciao Tesla people. So I just got a notification on my phone that there is a new software update, and it's the 2024.2.3, which is the first of the 2024 label. There are many new features. Here I have the release notes on the phone. It's already downloading. Will take a bit, and then I'll do the installation, and then we'll go through the release notes and all the new features. I'm going to do a time lapse of the installation, so it's going to be very quick for you guys. In the meantime, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot. Anyway, I'm going to do the download, and then we'll start the installation from the phone. I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so the download it's over, and it's 100%, so it should start. I should be able to start the installation, probably a few seconds. Anyway, there's going to be several new features. The release notes just says it talks about the reminder to plug your car at home when it's below 50%, and then some security improvements. But I know that there are several other new features. So we're going to see from the site. I mentioned in last video some of them, so we'll see how it goes. So okay, so the download is 100%, and now I should be able to start the installation. I'm going to show you. You can start the installation from the pad or from the phone. Both of them are the same, so that you can be at home. You can do the software download and installation from directly from your phone. Okay, should be few seconds, few moments, so that I can start the installation process. Yeah, sometimes it's like just take a bit to do the downloading, and then it starts the installation. Let's see how it takes too long. Okay, so we can start the software update. Let's do it from the phone this time. So install 2024.2.3. It will take approximately 25 minutes. Let's see, it's 1:25. So we'll start the prompt here. So I'll do this. So it goes to 1, and the installation started. So I'll do a time lapse, so it's going to be fast for you, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, I'm back. Installation is done. Here I'm on the 2024.2.3. Okay, version is still 11, so they didn't install V12 yet. It's not available everywhere. Okay, so there are a bunch of changes. Let me put you down here, and if there are any changes on the screen, I will show you, but I'm going to read it from the release notes that we have online. Okay, the first change is the ultra wideband phone keys. So there are some smartphones that, in addition to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and data, they have this ultra wideband technology, and I have it on my S24 Ultra Samsung. So this will improve. The phone has a key. So if you come to the car, sometimes if you have the phone like in the bag or behind your back, whatever, um, it it doesn't unlock the car right away, so you have to take it out. Instead, with this new additional technology, ultra wideband, it should be right away like this with no problem. Of course, it depends if you have it on your phone. On iPhone has it. This phone, Samsung S24 Ultra, has it. So the other one, you'll get a reminder on your phone app, a reminder to plug in at home. So if your percentage, if you're home, you're charging home usually, your if you are below 50% of the charge, you will get a notification on your phone that you need to plug in the car. That's cool. Now there is another improvement: improved ride and handling. This is available to everybody. Get a more consistent response on different road surfaces, and greater comfort on rough, winding pavement. In sport mode or when custom ride handling is set to focused, also expect reduced pitch and body roll in off-road mode. Okay. So let's see if this is there is a change. Let's see, steering, sport, customize. Yeah, no, you need to change bunch of stuff. Well, this is in customize and track mode, but everything else seems like there. So most likely it's not for everybody, even though it's available worldwide. Okay. Then there is the oversized recall for the US. They had a recall because the font size of certain icons like brake, ABS, and park, the size were too little, so they increased the size of the fonts. I mean, no comment. It's not for Tesla. It's like who's required to do this crap. Adaptive high beams. So the recent Teslas have matrix lights. So the Highland, they will enable it. Now I hope that yeah. So I hope that they put on the Model Y too, but they didn't. So on the screen lights, they're supposed to be adaptive high beam option. I just have auto high beam, but it's not that. So adaptive high beam is basically the matrix lights. So if you're driving and you have your high beams on, and somebody comes in front of you, the matrix lights will adapt the cone of the light will be darker, so you won't blind the other driver. Okay, that's pretty cool. I know. So Model 3 Highland will get it, and hopefully we'll get it soon. The other Teslas. Then there is a more efficient charging. So your vehicle now adjusts to the power level of the DC charging station. The only thing here, it says for 4680 battery. So I'm not sure if it's only for those cars that have 4680. So we'll see. Anyway, so the battery preconditioning when you are navigating to a charger, and the charging can be more efficient. That's pretty good. Some security improvements. We don't know what. An unlock button here. So if there is somebody inside the car and somebody is coming, there will be an unlock button here. It will appear in certain situation. For example, if the vehicle is locked and there is someone inside the vehicle, an unlock a vehicle button will now appear when someone tries to open the vehicle from the outside. Okay. And then the trip and menu redesign. So if you go to trips, where is it? Trips here, the redesign. So there is this gray background on each of the trip, and then there is the check for the cards. There is not anymore on the bottom, but it's beside the trip that you defined. Okay, which is good. So you don't have to scroll down. Nice improvement in the UI. And then all the apps in the menu. So on this menu here, usually when you put you click this and appears the menu, these icons wouldn't be there because you have it here. Instead, now all the icons are there. Okay, so you see, phone is there, there. Okay, and you can customize it, of course. Pretty good. What else? And then there is additional vehicle info in the if you go to controls, software, and yeah, you can check more information about the vehicle. Yeah, there is a cell IMEI number, the Amazon no AMD Ryzen processor, lithium-ion battery, the motor in front and rear, induction. I have induction and permanent magnet. There is the Wi-Fi MAC address, and autopilot computer, full self-driving computer. Okay, and garage door opener. I don't have a garage, not installed. Okay, so more information, which is good. And then software version in app. So the software version is basically v11.1. Right now I have v11.1. So, and then the version of the software 2024.2.3. So before on the app, this versioning is not available here on the bottom. So now there is v11.1. Okay, so more information on the app too, which is good. What else? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So there are many features, new features, not available everywhere as usual because it depends where you're located, but it's pretty good. Anyway, installation went well, everything went fine. It took a bit more than 25 minutes, probably 30-35 minutes. The installation, not the download. Download depends where you are and your Wi-Fi and whatever. Anyway, put a like on this video, share it, turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot. And I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.